Before we move into the different types of glands and secretions that we see in our skin, I wanted to talk about the three main types of gland secretion that we see in general and kind of just to separate the three of them out. The first one is referred to as Eccrine or Merocrine. This is the one that you're going to be most familiar from intro to biology or general biology course. So what happens with the cell is it's going to create little vesicles. The vesicles will go to the plasma membrane. Sometimes the whole vesicle is secreted. Other times, the vesicle itself is going to fuse with the plasma membrane and then secrete out that way. That process is referred to as exocytosis. And many of the cells are going to do this, but not all of the glands are going to do this. The second type of secretion that we're going to see is going to be called apocrine. And so when we think of apocrine, we think of apical. So, if you think of a basal surface at the bottom, apical surface is the top, right? It's the superior surface of the cell. And so what happens is imagine that for some reason your head spontaneously grows a hat. And that hat holds all the things that you would like to get rid of. All of the worst memories you've ever had just go up into this hat and then boom, it's gone. That's essentially what happens with these cells is they grow and they put all of what they need to secrete up at the top, and then it kind of pinches off of the cell and then moves out. Okay? And then the last type is called Holocrine secretion. And Holocrine secretion is the most severe of them in that the cell fills up with all of the stuff and then it ruptures. Okay? I want to point out when I talk about it rupturing, people are worried that it's, hurts. Holocrine secretion does not hurt the body. It does not get picked up by pain receptors. It's just the cell ultimately ruptures, and that's the way that we are able to secrete certain substances. So I hope this helps with understanding the three different types of gland secretions, and then we'll kind of talk about the specific glands in a separate video.